Hey Rednecks, what's happening, y'all? Today again, we are here at Funtown RV. I got a cool one for you today, I'm telling you. Y'all gonna like this one. So y'all stay tuned. Here we go. Hey DJ, hit my music.
Rolling into Funtown, dust in the air. Rows of them campers lined up everywhere. Got a cold one waiting and a deal on the line. Yeah, buddy, this one might be mine. Woo! Kick them tires, take a look inside. Slide out big, got room to ride. Salesman talking, I'm half tuned out. Just picturing campfire nights, no doubt. On and down and the radio loud. Soon as we roll, we draw a crowd. We at Funtown, ready to roll. Campground dreams and a redneck soul. Hook it up, let them back roads go. Find us where the bonfires glow. If it's got wheels, we taking it out. Crank it up, let's hear that sound. Yeah, this right here. This camper life might be wrong, but it feels so right. Let's check this one out.
Hey y'all, welcome back in the Redneck Mafia channel. Well, today we are looking at a 2023 Airstream. We'll see if this is going to be your backyard dream or if it's going to be a money pit for your wallet. Let's take a walk around the outside here. Let me go and spin the camera around for you, y'all. I mean, just look at this thing. You got your twin axles right there. Nice big full-length canopy on it. I'm going to like this one. You got some of your frameless windows right there. Got a full wraparound window that looks like it does pop out. You got your twin tanks right there. You have your automatic hitch. Not automatic hitch, but electric power hitch. It is an Airstream. Can't even look at the inside of that right there. You got this little storage right there, it looks like. It is international. You got your shower, all your connection needs right there, shore power, your sewer. Let's get another look at this one from this side now. Get you right there. Actually, let's back up a little bit. Get you a full length of it. There we go. Got a full wraparound windows. You got a small canopy right there in front. Or not in front, in back. So it doesn't really cools down in the summertime. And you do have another canopy. This has got dual canopies. Does have solar up top, but I can see. And look at it, has twin AC units. I don't know what size the AC units are. But now, let's take a look inside this bad mamma jamma. With all your power connections right there. Not power connections, but all your controls right there. For your awnings. Demonstration of the lights. Now let's take a walk into the back here. We have a nice big queen size bed right there. Your nightstands on either side. You do have storage up top. And you have a little bit of storage down here in the bottom. Not too big, but it works with some small stuff. You have two nice things. You have your plugs right there. A 25-inch TV right there. You got the bathroom on one side. Nice little medicine cabinet right there. You got your mirror. Hi, Redneck. Nice little towel rack right there. Little small single hand towel. Got your shower on. I don't know if I can figure out how to open the shower. Ah, you got a nice little shower. Okay, it's a little. I got to kind of duck to do a shower in here. A little small for there. For a big guy like me. It does have a little skylight. Wow, that's bright. So that's kind of cool. You got your shutters right there. You have a nice big cabinet right here. Hang all your clothes on. Clothes cabinet, basically. Go ahead and shut this. Porch style window on there, frosted. I kind of like that. But now we're going here in the kitchen. And you do have your 3-burner stove with an oven. You have storage right down here in the bottom. There's a silverware drawer right there. Another nice, pretty good sized cabinets. Or not cabinets, but drawers. That's kind of nice. You got a little storage area there. You got your sink with the countertop in it. A farmhouse sink. So as you can put this over it, you have more counter space. You have more cabinets up here with all your plugs in it. You got another side on this one. It does have your nighttime blinds on every window in here. You got them right here. I don't know how to unlock those. So, but you got window blinds on the 2 top windows here. You have a smoke detector. You have your vents throughout the entire coach. You have your lighting right here. A smoke detector. That could be carbon, I'm not sure. You both. You have window shades on here. And close them down. On both windows here. There's a window shade right there. You do have curtains right there. Which I do believe this would drop down into a bed. I'm not real positive, but I think so. It kind of looks like it. But you do have a nice big kitchen table right there. So let's sit down here about this bad unit right here. So let's have a conversation about this one. There's an Airstream International 27FB. The Airstream International 27 travel trailer is designed forward trailer with modern features to help you achieve your travel dreams. Handcrafted with function, durability, and comfort in mind. This waterfront-inspired RV envelopes the mind and body in relaxing retreat for pure luxury comfort. I don't see a microwave in it, but it does have a stove. And Y'all can pause all that to read that. I'm not going through all that stuff for you. But it is a 2023 Airstream 27 foot. I don't know the particulars on it, but I do know it's a 2023 Airstream 27 foot. This one is $81,995. The pre-owned RV policy here at Funtown RV. All pre-owned RVs are sold as is. There's no manufacturer or dealer warranty expressed or implied. I don't see. So that's really all I see on this one, guys. Doesn't really give me any more. I mean, I'm looking at all the paperwork and stuff they have here for it, so I don't see any more on it. Other than what they have here. Again, these Airstreams are really, really nice. The construction of these are unbelievable. This is a 2023 27-foot Airstream trailer for $81,995. I did notice one other thing in here, two other things in here, guys, that I'll show you. Camera around here. You have a JL audio system in here. I don't know for sure if it's Bluetooth or not, but it most likely is. You do have your trash down here, a little cabinet. And you do have a couple of cabinets right here. So, remember, guys, Hometown RV in Surprise, Arizona. Come out here and tell them Redneck sent you, and let's have some fun. Let's all get out there for camping and having some fun with everybody. With that being said, y'all, that's going to conclude today. Remember, out here in Ohio, the fun don't stop. It gets even wilder. So y'all keep them beers cold, them stories wild, them lawnmowers running mostly, and them RVs in tip-top shape. So till next time, keep them beers cold, them stories wild. Stay rowdy, stay redneck. Y'all stay blessed. Redneck out. Hey guys, I was going through the video, not editing because I don't edit on my stuff, but I was going through it and I realized that I didn't really put an outro on it about the trailer itself. So I'm going to do it right here at the house. It's a 27-foot 2023 Airstream. And yeah, they are high priced. To me, Airstream's overpriced anyway. I mean, they're great trailers. They're built great. I'm not knocking the trailer at all. They just $83,000. I think it was $83,000. It's a little bit much for a 3-year-old trailer. So, my opinion, it's really not worth the money. Now that's my opinion, and you know how opinions are. Everybody's got one. So, but it is a nice looking trailer. It would be for somebody. It's just not for this redneck. So, that being said, remember, out here in Ohio, the fun don't stop. This gets even wilder. So, until next time, y'all keep them beers cold, them stories wild, them trailers ready to rock and roll. Y'all stay rowdy, stay redneck, y'all stay blessed. Redneck out.
Rolling into Funtown, dust in the air. Rows of them campers lined up everywhere. Got a cold one waiting and a deal on the line. Yeah, buddy, this one might be mine. Woo! Kick them tires, take a look inside. Slide out.